Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account on your PC. So let's get started. So it is quite simple step. All you have to do is go to facebook.com and log into your account. Alright, so once you have logged into your account, on the right hand side you can see your account profile picture. All you have to do is click over here and now click on settings and privacy. Alright, so once you are here, all you have to do is click on settings once again. Okay, now you'll be redirected to this page. On the left hand side you can see various options. Just click on privacy and now you'll be redirected to this page. Now all you have to do is scroll down. Now all you have to do is on the left hand side you can see the option for your Facebook information. Click over here and here you can see the option for deactivation and deletion. Now all you have to do is click over here again and now you have two options. You can either deactivate temporarily or you can just delete your account permanently. Now all you have to do is click on this option and click on continue to account deletion. Now all you have to do is click continue once again. And over here, this is our final step. Click on delete account and here click on delete pages again. And now you have to enter your Facebook password and then you'll be able to permanently delete your account from your PC. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.